Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Saturday, and as you see from the title or the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a Saturday reset. So I'm going to be doing a Saturday reset vlog, or my Saturday reset routine. Normally people do this on a Sunday, but I don't do that on a Sunday. So we are going to be doing it today because when I watch like the Sunday reset vlogs, it's like they're cleaning, they're preparing for the week ahead. And in truth and in fact, most of the time that is what I do on a Saturday. So because I go to church on a Sunday, so I don't do that on a Sunday. So pretty much the most thing I'll do on a Sunday is like, if I didn't iron like on a Saturday, I would do it the Sunday. But I normally do my reset on a Saturday. We're going to be doing that today. We have quite a few things to do. Let's see. I have my room to be cleaned. So that's number one on the list. Then I have the kitchen to be cleaned, the rest of the house to be cleaned. I will not be washing. I haven't washed from week, but outside is still rainy. So seems it's gonna rain again. So we're not gonna do that today. All right, and then we have my lesson plans to be done because I did not get that done because the electricity has been going in and out from Wednesday. So I need to get that done because I'm getting assessed on Monday. So that's the next thing. I also need to prepare clothes for next week and all of that. So that's what we have for today. So that's our to-do list for today. So yes, this is the Saturday reset vlog. And guys, if you did not watch my last vlog, it was a week in my life, go ahead, you need to watch that after you watch this. All right, so see you guys. So I've been so loving this chair from the other day when the electricity went out, right? I sat here and like, because there's some cats that keep coming around the place and they keep walking through the doors without permission. Like, we didn't give you permission, like, go away. So what I did was to like close the door and sit here, and I opened the window, and it was just so, what do you call it, therapeutic? I don't know. I'm gonna show you the view like through the window. So when I'm sitting here, you'll see like what I'm seeing. So yeah. This is where I'm gonna have my breakfast, which on a Saturday most times I have porridge, and it's normally in this cup, so it's a part of the routine. So we're having some cornmeal porridge with my pieces of bread inside of it. And then later on when my sister wakes up, then I'll have something else because this normally goes like fast. Just chilling a bit. It's now 8 something. Anyways, I'm gonna try and clean up my room because messy. I'm gonna show you the condition of my room, which I'm not proud of, but it's not my fault. Anyways, we don't talk about room now. All right, so let me show you my room. So this is my side of the room, pretty much. Yeah. So I just have my bed to make up. Got some sleeping to do. I'm trying to charge like everything. This is never mind. Anyways, so yes, laptop's supposed to still on charge. Yeah, over here so neat, not too much. I don't know why my bag strapped to my hangout. Yeah, but yeah, I did wash all my Crocs people, so they're all clean. And this is straight up. These are supposed to go on my bed. This was trying to dry. This kind of dry, so I can put it in the closet now, just for closet space. And then I have some clothes to like fold up in there, and then to just clean up fix up this little girl stuff and all of that. So yes, that's just it for the room. And then I can go to the kitchen. So I'm gonna start with my bed, my side, my stuff. All right. Alright, one task is done, the bed is made. I'm gonna fix up my ear over here. My tablet is dead, but I'm waiting on my sister's own to be charged before I can charge mine. Guys, look at how it looks outside, like so cloudy, like rain not come again. So yes, gonna finish fix up my side, then I'm gonna go over that side. No, I'm gonna finish fixing up my side, and I do over here because I'm doing the easier parts first and all of that. So yes. Alright guys, it's like, I'm gonna tell you what time it is. It is 9:29. But not gonna lie to you, I have left like about 3 different times to go and help my dad with something. So I won't have been working for that time, but I did my, remember I showed you that I did my bed, and I'm gonna show you the rest of what I did. All right, so I did sweep right here. Have that to finish sweeping. I haven't fixed the bag things yet, but I don't really have much to fix. Anyways, and I did fix my dresser the other day, so it doesn't really have much to fix. I need to clean my mirror. So yeah, this is dirty, like needs to be cleaned. So we're gonna clean that, and then we're done with upper, so probably need to wipe off that. Oh yes, I need to go through my jewelry because the pans are not looking the best. So yeah, I'll go through my jewelry with them, fix them up and all of that. My ears is hurting because I took out the earring and took too long to put it in. So yeah. All right, so these are all my jewelries that I have. I need to sort through, look what is not good, look what is rusty, because like this, well, this can't go on because even though it's like that at the back, this is the front, and the front is what I kind of want. I am so disappointed, but then they're cheap, so, but I love the stars. I'm just gonna keep it for like one more wear first before I throw it out. All right, so got quite a few to go through. Now I can't think I'll give her some of them earring here because I wear like the only 3 pairs of earring in my ears. Like my hardly change earring, but I'm gonna try for the summer. I need to try. Yeah, these I bought recently as well. So see, I have quite a few earrings that I hardly wear. So all of my earrings, them the here so. I have some bracelets here. Bracelets, these I think are supposed to be anklets. Don't even know. These are like chokers and something like that. In my choker area, I lived for those. Yeah, era. These are some of my necklaces that I don't wear as often, but yeah. I don't know, I normally just reach for, I put them in this. So yes, these are the ones that I normally reach for, but I need to put them back like in this so I can know them there, and then like put 1 and 2. I don't know, but we're gonna sort it out right now. Over here I have all my bracelets, a lot, bracelets and watches, so I have a lot. I need to stop by jewelry because I get rid of the ones I'm not wearing or can't wear anymore. So these, I don't think I've worn these before. The thing is, my ears, I just can't bother with the stress to wear the hoops. but I'm too much. My sister gave this to me, I think at Christmas. So I need to wear these. These are cute. But as I say, the whole business. Just I can't be bothered to change them. So anyways, so like all this. You see this can't wear back, but I want the charms from it. So I want to see if I can remove the charms so I can put it on a different bracelet and then throw the bracelet, because this can't wear again. So yeah. I think that is the same thing that happened to these chains here. You can see, okay, when I look in there, you can see the difference. Like this needs to go. But the charm on it, though, is why I wanted to keep them. So I'm going to take off this part of it and, like, make a bracelet or something off it, you know? Yeah. They be picking mangoes. Go, Shanique. Go, Taylor, town girl. You have no bag? Where bag go in the car? I still have these to put away. Sister folded them for me. So yes, I'm done. You guys saw that I did the jewelry thing. So just says done. Warrior says done. Sister helped me with over there. And the closet, I still have the clothes in the closet to fix. So I'm going to fix that after we have lunch. I've been moving slowly. It's like after 12 now or something. So yes, room is done cleaning. So what time it is? Yes, it is 12:28. So yes, it's quite late. I have that to empty. So after that, we're just the mirror pretty much, and the closet and the clothes. Done with my room after that. Let's see if I remember to show you guys when it is frozen. So I'm missing one adapter, that's why I didn't fill it. I know I was missing it before I pulled it out. I don't know where it is. I think it broke. I'm not even sure. Yeah, it broke. So and one of this broke as well. That's why I'm using this one, because this one belonged to another one that mashed up already. So yeah, we're gonna put these in the freezer, and I'm gonna do the rest of mangoes and just leave that in the fridge for them to have to drink. There's not a lot left though, it's like 4, so the 4 will fill up at the jug. So yeah, nice little summer, we call it summer snack, summer treats. Yeah, you can make that because I know a lot of people have mangoes around their backyard. Yeah, mango, it don't take much. So what I did was put, oh, I forgot to show you guys, I put sugar and I put some of this in it, some lime juice, just to give it a little flavor. Yeah, so try it out and tell me if you guys like it. All right guys, so these are the frozen treats. My mother and I did sample one, so 2 of them gone. So what we do to take them out, you just run this part under the water and pull it out. Yeah, and you have it. So yes, that is your summer treat. So cold and refreshing treats. Alright guys, so this is my hair washing routine. So I start off with this Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 clean, classic clean. I don't know, tell me if there's a better one for dandruff, because all these things cannot dry out my hair, like all of the dandruff shampoos dry out my hair. So I don't know. And then to add back the moisture, I use this. See it? I'm literally out. Just use the last bit in there, so this pretty much like what I throw away. So I use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo, and to be honest with you, it does keep my hair, it does give my hair that moisture, so I can't complain about that. And then oh no, not use that, that's it. And then today I wanted to add some fiber treatment to it, because as you can see, the amount of hair right around this buckle, and I know some hair break. So fiber strength post treatment, I decided to use this because my hair just did say that I can use it, so I just use that, and that is what I have sitting in my hair right now. So I'm gonna shower and then I wash it out and then use the conditioner. And this is the conditioner. So it's the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. So yeah, then I put this in my hair, and then see, last bit in there. I need to go shopping. So before I do go shopping, I want this video to be posted. So if you guys have any tips, any, you know, something will work for and relax hair that moisturizes or uses for dandruff, let me know in the comments down below. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna finish all of that. Don't want to waste water, that's why I'm kind of not film too much. Plus, you know, yeah, I can't unwind soap in there. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm out the shower. Yeah, hair wet. I'm gonna try and put in like a treatment thing in my hair because it needs to be treated. So I think I want to do my hair right here. So I'm gonna get my stuff. Now I'll see you in a bit. So I got all my stuff right here. And yeah, I'm not plugging already. So I smell one. Dry my hair. I'm gonna change up my routine because I want to put this in it. It's supposed to be a like treatment for the hair, so I'm gonna put that in instead of like the thing that I normally put in. So yeah. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys. It is 7:40 something right now. I think that's kind of fast. It's probably 7:30 something. Anyways, so we have an all island blackout right now. So I have an all island blackout right now. So I'm doing my lesson plans in the dark because I need this to be done before tomorrow. I am not doing this tomorrow. So the Saturday reset is still on, even though the current is gone. We are still doing our lesson plan, so I can check this off. Yeah, so partially have I kind of done. I don't know how this I go. Like this lesson plan was from the last 2 weeks and it wasn't taught fully. Like we did like piece of this, which is strange. Because I thought this was in week 2, but it is actually week 1, which means none of my lesson never don't teach. Because none of that not teach. And guess what? All of this stuff on the test. So I don't know how this gonna go. I want to see if all of this can be taught in like a week. See if we can condense it, because I'm gonna look back on the test and see like exactly what is there, so I can know how far I need to go. Because we don't need to brush, or like we just need to brush it so that they understand, teacher they understand, so that in the last week we can do a revision. Because 2 weeks left, 1 week for teaching, 1 week for revision, and I need to get everything done. So we're gonna fix this up. Can't vlog because I need the light to see the keyboard. I had a laptop once that had the lit up background, but this doesn't, so I have to actually use the flashlight to see what I'm typing. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Yes, it's morning. Did we finish this vlog yesterday? No. Why? Because the electricity did not come back, and it's still not back. So yes, I'll get this program on this thumb drive, because normally I do email it, but you know, no electricity, so no internet, so So yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys later on in this vlog. Alright guys, so I was gonna continue this video, but then I'm saying it's supposed to be a Saturday reset. And even though light go yesterday, you know, as I explained earlier when I got up, I was gonna continue because light finally come back. We just come back from church and light come back. I was gonna continue, but then Saturday reset, I don't think I should continue. So this is gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. You know, I do want to do more videos. I'm making an effort, as I said in my previous vlog. This is me making an effort. I'm trying to make an effort to make more vlogs, more quality vlogs. So as you realize, yes, she too. She's actually gonna film right now, you know. So I want to do more quality vlogs because as you guys realize, my vlogs has been longer because I've been putting in efforts. So yeah, so comment down below what videos you want to see, even if it's some sit down videos. And I also wanted to do another Q&A, like a life update kind of video. So if you're interested, go ahead over to my Instagram. Let me know in the comments first so I can post the the question thing, so that you guys can go over on my Instagram and comment your questions. So I'll have those for the Q&A. So let me know if you want the Q&A, then in the comments down below put life update ? So I will know. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.